Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can access repositories quickly. Install Git and the GitHub CLI, then authenticate. You choose targeted keywords and file patterns, think CSV, JSON, or dataset-specific names. Next, run a live GitHub search using qualifiers like file name, extension, and size to narrow results. Once done, scan repo readmes and data folders for obvious dataset files. Make sure to check releases and raw file views so you can preview contents before cloning. You now refine your candidate list by adding qualifiers such as language, path, stars, and pushed to prioritize active, relevant repos. Use the raw file preview in the browser or GH to fetch a single file for quick inspection. This saves time over cloning everything. While inspecting, look for README tables, sample rows, or a schema file to understand structure. Once done, note license terms and data quality. Make sure the format and column names match your analysis needs before proceeding to clone. You finish by cloning only what you need. Use sparse checkout or download files directly to avoid big transfers. Then validate the dataset with a quick script. Preview headers, sample rows, and run basic parsing with pandas or head and WC. This confirms encoding and delimiters. If files are missing or incomplete, check forks, releases, open issues, and commit history. If unresolved, open an issue or message the maintainer. One troubleshooting tip: if search returns nothing, broaden keywords and remove restrictive qualifiers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.